Hi, this is Miss April, and today I'll be showing you how to make an owl pillow box. A pillow box is a box that resembles a small cardboard or paper pillow. It's usually used for small and light gifts like jewelry, gift cards, or candy. And makers like to decorate the outside. Create a rectangle with a width of 3.845 inches and a height of 5.5 inches. Next, create a line that has a height of ½ inch. Create a copy and then place them in the middle of the rectangle like this. Create a circle. Change the size so that the width is 5.509 inches and the height is 3.45 inches. Create a copy and put it off to the side. Place the circle so that it touches the corners. Mirror bottom and center. Copy the rectangle. Create a copy to the right and one to the left. Weld both ovals and the middle rectangle. Select both rectangles on the sides and color them in. Select all three shapes, open the Modify panel, and divide. Zoom into each corner to fix if needed. Delete the other pieces. Create a copy to the right and line it up. Create a rectangle in the middle. Color it in. And weld it to the other two pieces. This should create only one piece. Create a dashed line right in the middle of the shape. Use the copy of the oval and change the oval to a dashed line. Place the oval on top of the left side of the shape like this. With the knife tool, cut both ends. Remove the top part of the oval. Fix the dashed line so it just goes up to the edge. Mirror this piece below and place at the bottom. Create a copy to the right so that there is one at the bottom and one at the top. Make a long rectangle with a height that is just long enough to align with the edge, and change the width to 0.45. Move one space or two to the left using the left arrow key so it overlaps just slightly. Make a line from the top left corner and angle it downward to the edge of the rectangle. Mirror down, select both the line and the rectangle and the line bottom. Create a dashed line down the right side of the bigger shape and the left edge of the rectangle. Weld the rectangle to the shape. Use the knife tool to cut off the triangle shape where the angled lines are. Delete the lines and the triangles. Send this piece backwards so that all the dashed lines can be seen. Create a circle that is 0.604 inches. Align center to the small line created earlier. About 60% of the circle should be covered by the shape. Create another circle and do the same but to the bottom. Color in the circle and select both the circle and the larger shape. Open the Modify panel and subtract. Do the same to the bottom. Delete the small lines and group everything together. Now that you have your pillow box, you can create other designs to decorate it. Because of the pointed corners and overall shape, many people decorate them like owls. You can create a beak from a triangle and eyes with a circle. You can create a row of feathers using a rectangle and several circles welded together. You can also make wings using about a third of a circle. I added more details to the eyes by using a scallop circle and changing the eye shape, and also adding white circles. And then you can just color in those pieces to give yourself an idea of how it will look. Start by folding down the middle line. Then carefully fold along the top and bottom. This can be tricky. I find it easy to start by folding it in the middle and then folding the sides. Fold over the thin tab and add glue or double-sided tape and close the box. Next, you can fold in the tabs on the top and bottom. It's best to glue your decorations once the box has been assembled, since it will curve the paper. As you are gluing, make sure to lightly press so that you don't accidentally fold in the box.